The Brown Nose Pup Story, a dramatic reading by Dr. Jordan Peterson. Can't stop eating poop. If I were big and fat enough, I would eat entire used diapers. I need to find a way to become psychologically, irreversibly addicted to shit. They can put me in the hospital and make me take pills. But now I'm home and nobody can stop me from covering myself in shit. Anything that doesn't get clumsily smeared somewhere or stuck in an unreachable patch of fur will be eaten and turned into tomorrow's shit. It's hard to imagine how strong your smell is when you can never stop leaking shit on everything around you, or how much it stinks because the shit that is sliding out from my tail hole today was the fast food and shit I ate all day yesterday. A constant ooze of shit squeezing out into my leg and underside of my tail fur, dripping off into globs, paw print shit smears marking my path. Having a bad, greasy, fatty diet, being completely incontinent, not being able to realize or care when I've gotten shit on my paws.